Praise for clarity first. How many of us have felt the tension of the boss asking, "So, are we on the same page?" Just one I wanted to ask, which page, boss? The whiteboard, the email summary, the yellow pad? That kind of ambiguity ruled my early work life and led to my deep professional disillusionment. I later learned, and Karen Martin shows us in Clarity First, it doesn't have to be that way. For me, joy and clarity are inexorably linked, as clarity leads not only to getting things done, but getting the right things done right, and thus a chance to work with pride, as W. Edwards Deming suggested, was all that anyone wants from their work life. Karen Martin provides us with Clarity First, the path to this kind of joy. Richard Sheridan, CEO of Menlo Innovations and author of Joy in Cooperation. In a crowded and distracted world, leaders must develop clarity in order to rise above the competition, create better relationships, and grow their business. In this insightful book, Karen Martin gives us a clear vision for clarity. Sally Hogshead, New York Times, best-selling author of Fascinate and How the World Sees You. Imagine the insanity of driving your car through a torrential downpour without windshield wipers. Far too often business leaders drive their company in this very way. In Clarity First, Karen Martin gives us a true gift, the organizational equivalent of high-performance wiper blades to cut through ambiguity and achieve diamond-like clarity. Matthew E. May, author of Winning the Brain Game and the Laws of Subtraction. Karen focuses on dissects and gives excellent advice on how to address one of the most important weak points of conventional management. The lack of clarity, the need to operate with clarity permeates every aspect of what leaders and organizations do on a daily basis and is vital to be a high performer. Jeffrey Liker, best-selling author of The Toyota Way. In an effective organization, everybody should know at any given time what is the most important work they can do to contribute to its success and how well they are doing at it. However, in many organizations, we find a miasma of our work, poor strategy and communication, ill-defined or inadequate processes, and frustrated employees. In this outstanding book, Karen Martin tackles the biggest dysfunction addressing organizations today, a lack of clarity, and shows how to implement change at every level, supported by her extensive experience and her magisterial command of lean thinking. This book is essential reading for leaders and managers everywhere. Jess Humble, co-author of the DevOps Handbook, Lean Enterprise, and Continuous Delivery. Karen Martin does a masterful job of proving to readers why clarity is the key to outstanding performance and showing what smart organizations can do to attain and sustain it. She maps a clear path to defining what winning is and how to get there. The chaos-cutting solutions and powerful clarity-enabling practices she shares are keenly relatable and immediately implementable. I was absolutely absorbed by its word, its page, its illuminating example, and instructive concept. Billy R. Taylor, Director of North America Commercial and Off-Highway Manufacturing at the Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. Thank you.